vacation coming up soon for a friend's birthday, and I'm gonna put some outfits together. So I need your help. I need your help. I need your help. And spring is here, so let's get the spring wardrobe together. All right, let's go, Divas, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, Divas. Let's get into this wardrobe. All right, so this is my first outfit that I am looking at for spring. This is my just lounging dress that I like to wear during the springtime. And it's also a dress that you can wear out as well. I have a little headband here that I got from H&M along with this dress. I actually got this dress for like $5. I think it was like $5. Originally it was priced maybe about 20, but anywho, this is the dress that I wear during the springtime. I think it's a nice dress to wear. Just go out for a stroll, go shopping. I think I might add it to my wardrobe for spring. But yes, I'm wearing this during the springtime. It's a full length dress. It's linen, and it has a tie here that comes with it, and it's buttoned up. And I would pair this with some heels. So let me get those heels in just a second. Alright, so these are the heels that I would pair them with. I got these from H&M, and I only wore these one time. I wore these with some jeans and a nice top. But yeah, I would definitely pair this with this outfit here. Or you could do it with some jeans or some nice pants. So this is outfit number 1 for spring. And I'll try to link something similar if I can find it. But the shoes, I'll definitely link these because they are still, I believe, in stock on the website. So let's go to our next outfit. Alright, Divas, I'm back. So this is outfit number 2. It's like a puffy sleeve dress. So this is a puffy sleeve dress. I will have to finish steaming it out. This is outfit number 2. Same shoes. These are the shoes I'm going to wear. Because it just blends with it. I do have these shoes in black. I thought it looked okay. Same color, same shade. So it blended really well. And yeah, this is just a puffy sleeve dress. You can always put a belt with it to kind of cinch in the waist. So this is another outfit for spring or vacation if you're going on vacation soon like I am. But yeah, this is dress number 2. Let me know what you think. Write down in the comments below and let me know if this is a keeper. So it's outfit number 2. Bam. Alright, so let me change into number 3. Alright, here we go. Alright, Divas, so this is outfit number 3. This is very colorful, very out there. You can actually wear this in the summer as well. So I just have this like hot pink top on with these orange kind of orange tangerine pants. And again, same heels. Same heels here, wearing those heels. And yeah, so this is outfit number 3. So outfit number 3. It's a cute little top, some orange pants, and a little kitten heels or mules, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, so this is outfit number 3. So this I would just do, again, out and about. You can actually wear this to work and just put a blazer with it, a nice blazer. Yeah, so this is outfit number 3. So, all right, let's get into number 4. All right, here is the next outfit. I believe this is outfit number 7? 7 or 8? It's going to be 10. So I think I've narrowed it down to 10. But yes, this is the next outfit. So this skirt and top and the shoes, again, are H&M. I just realized majority of everything I have in my closet is H&M. So, yeah. I'm addicted to H&M, guys. So, yep. My friends know it. They all know it. It's my weakness. But yeah, so the skirt, the top, another smock top. This is just in white. The other one was beige. But yeah, so this top here, this smock top, and this skirt is H&M. Shoes are H&M. And yeah, I think that's outfit number 7 or 8. I stopped counting. So yeah, this is another spring outfit that you could wear during the day or at the beach. So there's a little skirt underneath and it's just a sheer overlay. So there you have it. This is cute. I like this. I could definitely see me wearing this for vacation. And you can also wear this for the summer as well. All right, let's move to the next one. Let's keep it moving. All right, so here is the next outfit. It's just a long maxi dress, and I have the black heels with these. Same style as the beige, just black. So if you can see that. And this has a split. It actually has 2 splits. So there's a split on each side. Split on each side. But yeah, so this is a maxi dress. Just a short maxi dress. So this, I would put like a cardigan with it. It's cold wherever you are. And put like a nice little belt that it doesn't here. Just above the waist. So you don't really have to worry about a belt. Yeah, this is I think outfit number 8. I think it's 8. Alright, so let's get down to the last 2. And yep, outfit number 8. Alright, Divas, thank you so much for your help today. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for helping me kind of nail down my 5 outfits that I'm going to wear out of those 10 that you saw. Comment down below and let me know what you think, what I should keep, what I should